Always first, second, third. It's always the location. One is location, second is location, and third. I was wondering. I said, where's the main patriarch of the family? And here he comes. How are you, sir? It's such a pleasure to see you. It's such an honor, and we need your blessings for this venture. Yes, and for this really honestly, and I feel something. It doesn't have to be. You get an instinct, you get a feeling, emotional feeling sometimes, and I have always felt when something comes to me, I really don't go very deep into it. But if I say it instantly, yes, that means there is definitely till now everything has gone right, and hopefully by the grace of God and with the blessings of all the elders who are here and all of you all, this venture is going to be hugely successful. Thank you so much.
What was your dream at that time?
See, first of all, I just felt it's definitely the first thing is, of course, Abhinay being an architect, and I've seen his work and the kind of planning and aesthetics and the work ethics, which is whenever he doesn't take up anything just for the sake of taking up. If he takes up a project, it has to be. There are so many times you do things with who's the person behind it. So when I came to know that Abhinay is behind it, that was the first. I'm being very honest with you. That was my first excitement that he's behind it. It has to be fabulous. And of course, then I met Santosh, and when I met him, I spoke to him. And then I realized even Santosh is a very intelligent guy. He's roped in the right person, He's also a businessman. So, we all are very intelligent. I have roped him for 24, he's roped him over here, And you know what the result of 24 has been. So that's one of the reasons. And of course, as I said, when I spoke to you all, that the whole location. And ultimately, as people say, that what is the first condition? It's always first, second, third. It's always the location. One is location, second is location, and third is location. So the best part about this project is the location. It's beautiful. It's fantastic.
I'm talking about कि आपका पहला मुंबई में आपने अपना घर लिया होगा, पहला घर एक्चुअली यू मस्ट उस वक्त की बात करें जब आप नए थे इंडस्ट्री में, आपने पहला घर खरीदा होगा, उसकी खुशी किस तरह की थी और उसके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे सर.
देखिए, पहला घर जब मुझे जब मैं that was one of the first conditions of my marriage.
Okay.
ऐसे जब तक मैं घर नहीं खरीद सकूंगा मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा. So the day I came to know that I can buy a house and I can afford a house and I can look after my wife. So my excitement was more that I could afford the house and I can get married to my friend who became my girlfriend, who's my wife, and we've been together since 42 years. It's thanks to my first house which I bought. So that was my excitement that I was going to get married to my girlfriend. So that was my excitement, and so hopefully I think she'll be very happy when I told her that I bought this house. So whatever makes her happy makes me happy. So she's very happy that I bought another home which is away from this home. So that's it.
Anil sir here. Anil sir, you made a mention of the environment being terrible and Sonam falling ill. We all are concerned about her health. How is she recuperating, and for how long will she stay in the hospital for, sir?
She's last night was slightly, she was not too well. But in the morning when I met her now, I was in the hospital the whole day. She's much better, much better. She'll be under observation for a few days. And that's it. And I think within a week, 10 days, I think she should be much better, and hopefully she'll be back home. Yeah.
आपकी क्या कोशिश
रहेगी?
There is Wikipedia for swine flu. If you can go ahead. Thank you.
सर एक्चुअली सब लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि सोनम अब कैसी हैं?
I think it was already said in the previous answer. So for those that were not paying attention, you can refer to the notes taken down.
First thing when I told her about this home, Adi, she recovered very. I said this is what I'm doing, and this is the house I bought for all of you all. So she recovered. Listening to that. Yeah.
अनिल सर, आपने घर लिया तो आपको कभी कोई शूटिंग के दिन याद आए क्या? आपने पुराने दिन कोई शूटिंग जैसे लेक के किनारे कभी कोई शूटिंग की हो, या इस तरह जब आपने वो घर लिया तो कोई शूटिंग के दिन याद आए क्या?
हाँ, हाँ बिल्कुल, लेक के किनारे मैंने काफ़ी गाने गाए हैं। तो आजकल मुझे गाने कोई देता नहीं है, वो सब यंगस्टर्स को दे रहे हैं, सोनम को और दूसरे यंगस्टर्स को दे रहे हैं। तो अब तो मैं गाने देते नहीं मुझे, 24 में भी गाने नहीं है।